Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's obviously the Christmas rush for me and I'm finding it really hard to make videos at the moment. So hello to all my new subscribers, my name's Claire and I do jewellery tutorials for those that are new to making jewellery. I also have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I currently have an offer on at the moment. This is an example of someone who's just placed an order with me and it's 10% off a £10 spend or more, and that's of the actual order value. So if you want to have a go at making some of these, pop over. Hopefully I'll be able to link the products in the description. So what do we have today? I used these made some Christmas bookmarks. I'll link that video for you. They sold out very quickly. I've bought a lot more of these in. They're not your average enamel Christmas charms. They're very well made. And they're red and green rhinestones. I've actually got the measurements for these. So these snowflakes they're 25mm from the top to the bottom. 1.8mm hole at the top. Lovely for earrings, necklaces, bookmarks as I made. So that is those. And I also have these. These are slightly smaller, but again, very pretty. And instead of the pearl, these have a large rhinestone in the center. Now these are 20mm from the top to the bottom, and they have a 1.6mm hole. Someone said to me the other day, you're really great for giving your sizes. I really hate watching videos and people don't give the sizes of things, and it's really hard to judge. I have big hands, big fingers, so they'll probably make them look even smaller on camera. But it's very important to know how big the hole is. Some holes are large enough you can just put a chain straight through and you don't need a jump ring. Again, jump rings, I've got 5mm gold jump rings in this that I'm using for this video. So pop those there. Now, necklace chains. These I'm absolutely raving about. It's when you are not only buying chains, even as a seller, it's so hard to get chains that are gold plated and don't tarnish. Now they're gold plated and they have stainless steel underneath. Now what I do, if you go back, I made some memorial jewellery and these chains I used in the jewellery. Now what I do is I've actually left these out for, I think it's been 4 or 5 weeks now. I've left these out because I wanted to see if they would tarnish, or should I say oxidization, with the elements in the air. They can turn black and get marks on your neck. So these have been left out for 5 weeks and they have not tarnished at all. The pendants haven't. Fantastic. As a seller, that's what you want. These are available also on the website. I don't have large stocks of these at the moment. I don't have larger stocks. Obviously they are more expensive than just the plain stainless steel because they're plated with 9 karat gold. But that's what I'm going to be using for my jewellery that I'm making this year. So I'm going to make 2 pendants using the gold chains, and I'm also going to make 2 pendants using the red and green. Obviously when you're selling there will be a price difference because obviously these I sell for 30p. With the offer at the moment, I think with the 10% offer, that's 27p each at the moment. And these are 2mm thick. The ones you normally would get would be 1mm, possibly 1.5, but these are actually 2mm. So again, great for your jewellery. Also, the pendants are lead, nickel and cadmium free, so it shouldn't be a problem for people with allergies. Some people can get rashes from pendants. And I've also got 2 pairs of chain nose pliers for my jump rings. Did I show you the backs? Even the backs are beautiful. So we take a jump ring. Also, these are beautiful gifts you can make for family members for Christmas. So we pop the jump ring through the hole. Take the chain, put it through so it slides. And then we close. We just do that chain up. Again, they're lobster clasps. That one. Did I say these are 18 inches in length? So again, we take another jump ring. I think these are 0.8 millimeters thick, so they're just the right size for jewellery. They're too thin that there's a chance that they will just open up if there's a slight pressure put on them. They can be a little bit harder to open because of the thickness and the closing. So if you find you're having trouble with that, that's completely normal. Pop the chain on, slides, and then close. I'm just going to bend that out and back in again. And there's that one. If you're making jewellery or going to Christmas fairs, I hope you're doing really well. It's quite a challenging time out there at the moment. And with these, I'm also going to use the 5mm, even though they are 2mm, it should be fine. As always, I didn't put my glasses on. So open those. Pop the charm. Pop the necklace. Pop the cord necklace. And then close. Just pop that one together. And then the very last one, another jump ring. Open the jump ring, attach the charm, attach the cord necklace, can be a bit fiddly. If you want to use a 6mm, then it's absolutely fine. But we know they fit because I just did the other one. There we go. And there we have that one. So that's 2 examples of what you can make with them. They will make beautiful earrings as well. Maybe I'll do a video making earrings with them. So I hope you enjoyed that video. So remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you could leave a comment down below, it would be so helpful. It just helps the algorithm share my videos out to more people. You can just put a heart down below, that's absolutely fine, but it really does help. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.